Let's look at how we prepare the potato canapes recipe. We take some mayonnaise, to which we add some cheese and some tomato ketchup. Let's mix them well. We add some chili flakes, some oregano, and then nicely mix it well. Some well chopped onions, some corn, some tomato, a pinch of salt, and then mix well. We now get the 4 pieces of crackers ready and nicely spread this mixture evenly on the crackers. On this, we place 4 boiled potatoes, or you could also bake them. We then arrange some onions and tomatoes on top of it, some pepper, on which we squeeze a lid of lime, and some coriander leaves.